To make the macro photos with OnePlus 15, first of all, we'll need to launch our camera app. Next step is to click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen and then make sure that the macro mode, macro shot is enabled like this with the orange color. When it's enabled, you'll be able to capture photos on close-ups with higher quality. So let's lift our device and try to capture, first of all, my skin. Follow instructions on screen. Sometimes it will appear when you need to zoom out, take the phone further away or something like that. So now in this case, we can capture it already. And I also have something else, which is a miniature. Let's try to capture it as well. Okay, so we have a few photos. Now let's check them out. So first is the miniature. The quality of macro is very good. You can zoom in after the photo and it zooms out in pretty nice quality. Next is the skin. You can also see that it's very, very good quality. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.